I focus on volume of content and then let audience decide whether they are loving it or not. Because at the end of the day, who you are to judge the quality of the content? If you are saying that your content is of quality, meaning you and your team thinks that that is quality content. Let your audience see and decide.
When it comes to all this topical content, reactive strategy versus proactive strategy, you say we should go the reactive way, right? Or should we prepare and keep something?
Both. At times you have to prepare, at times you have to be very reactive. Like yesterday when somebody commented on one of my reels or something video, that comment, I thought that it has to be on next Instagram reel. And that's where I created that Instagram reel. And in that comment section of that next reel, people were like, Pratik bhai, Pratik sir, Pratik, you're so fast. You just created another piece of content out of that comment. And I'm like, yes. So at times you have to be so reactive, but that once again depends on you as an individual. How much good you are at your thumb, your camera, your shoot, you speak in front of camera, how spontaneous you are, how creative you are. It totally depends on you as a content creator as well then. All right.
Right.
So that's how you can be reactive at times, and you can be like passive as well. You can think long and then you can create. To an example, like from 1st January 2021, I might be coming up with a few different kind of content, which I'm planning since past 1.5 months now with my team.
Right.
And it is already in progress. Right. So a mix of both, if you as a brand can. It is not a compulsion, but if you can, yes.
Okay. So tell me something more about your philosophy of innovate, evolve, or die. I really want to understand this because this is something that, stayed with me, and it's something that I really want all our viewers to also hear, because we have lots of content creators and bloggers watching this who really want to know about this.
See, you as a personal brand, or rather this would happen with personal brands most of the times with this innovation and all, because for corporate brands it would be more of the product centric innovation. So obviously it will take time and they have to innovate in their product. But with respect to personal brand, it would be more of the content based innovation. So if you don't innovate, meaning if you see a trend where you are consistently putting out content in the same format, or if somebody is already doing something and if you try to do that same thing and if you are not able to succeed, at that point in time you have to think that how you can just tweak a little bit and then create content. A practical real-time example is my DP-CP concept on my Instagram reels. DP meaning digital Pratik and CP meaning confused Pratik. By the way, people who are watching, all those 200 people, thank you so much for all your time right now in listening and tuning. If you have been hearing my DP-CP concept, throw me a quick 1 in the comment. All right. If you have heard a single reel on DP-CP and if you like that, press 1 in the comments box. Let's see how many are already seeing that. And meanwhile, let's talk on that what I figured out, that Instagram reels is booming, as we all know. But I didn't want to do that normal Instagram reels. All right. Thank you so much for all the ones, by the way, and lovely hearts as well. So I didn't want to go into that track. So what I did was, once a while, I just got this random idea. Upasna, I swear to my parents, I swear on my parents, I just got this random idea that let me just do, and to be very honest, I don't know how, but I was watching this Bhuvan Bam's video, one of the old video of Bhuvan Bam, where he is obviously in characters. So I'm like, okay, fine, let me just try to do something like this. And because I was confused in the moment as Pratik, I thought, okay, fine, CP can be confused Pratik and DP is obviously digital Pratik. So let me just have this. So all I'm doing is I'm just switching my face profiles. So this would be DP, this would be CP, nothing else. And then I'm reading comments and all of a sudden people are loving it. So it was just वो अंधेरे में तीर छोड़ने जैसा था. And people loved it. So that's where I'm telling, once again, coming back to that old question of yours a couple of minutes back when you asked quality of content, I don't give a damn. I focus on volume of content and then let audience decide whether they are loving it or not. Because at the end of the day, who you are to judge the quality of the content? If you are saying that your content is of quality, meaning you and your team thinks that that is quality content, let your audience see and decide.
Right. Right.
Honestly,
Can you come to that
DPCP is like, for me, DPCP is like, यार मैं इंग्लिश में भी बात कर रहा हूँ, there are no subtitles, still people are loving it. And on my IGTV, people want my subtitles. So what is wrong? I mean, there is some psychological connection between my DPCP reel and my audience. And if they are loving it, who am I to decide whether I need captions or not? It is working. People are loving it. And then people told me that do something different. And that's where I didn't want to have that mustache and makeup and all those things. I don't want to get that fancy. So all I did was I have my shades. So मैंने confused Pratik को थोड़ा cool बना दिया. That's where it differentiated now.
cool Pratik Pratik.
Yeah, maybe.
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું. મોજમાં.